How you doing?
Officer Snow, Union Gap Police Department.
Nice to meet you.
Well, no, the reason I stopped you is you were passing on the shoulder.
Okay.
That's not legal.
It's not legal?
Nope. Can I get your license, registration, and insurance,
I'll
please?
give you my name and information. That's
You
all
don't-
I have
do you-
with me right now.
You do not have license?
No, I don't have a license whatsoever. I don't use the roads in a commercial capacity. Here in Yakima and in Washington, the Attorney General, I'm an attorney, by the way. Here in Washington, the Attorney General has already dictated the aspect that all road usage, well, it depends on if you have a contract or not, whether you're using it commercially or not commercially.
Are we doing the sovereign thing?
No, I'm not a sovereign. I'm an
Okay,
attorney.
so what's your name?
My name is. I'm an attorney for real. I'm
Okay.
not even BSing you. And then also right now is the aspect that the definitions of both municipal and county codes here in Washington.
What's your date of birth, Cameron?
Just one more. But the aspects here in the state of Washington, first off, here in Yakima specifically, both road and street is defined as open as a matter of right for public vehicular travel. So the legislature has narrowly tailored the legislature not to violate any constitutional rights due to the aspect that it is all about the consent of the governed. Meaning that if I'm using the roads in a commercial capacity whatsoever, then of course, right, there's an issue. But I have no contract with the state. I do not have no driver's license with the state. I have not given up my consent to the right to locomotion and free travel.
Okay.
So,
What's your middle name?
and the middle name is James.
All right, sit tight for me.
Hey, are you aware of Rodriguez versus United States?
No.
You don't know what that states as far as...
Nope. What I do know is that you were
Constitutional
riding your motorcycle illegally on a public road in the state of Washington,
Well,
and you don't have a license.
correct, I don't need to have a license.
I mean, you do.
No, according to the Washington Attorney General and their opinions, as well as Supreme Court
All right,
Justice...
sit
Hold
tight
on,
for me.
just
No,
excuse me.
sit tight for me.
I have to inform you.
No, you don't.
Yeah, because
No, you
if I
don't.
inform you, then you're going to make assumptions.
I'm not making an assumption. Sit tight for me. Sovereign. 438 on 2.
4-3.
Can you start me a second unit? I'll be at the Hofsteiner parking lot.
Please keep getting up close.
Negative, just a sovereign. What's up, man?
Yeah, just as a matter of fact as well, like, where we was at was in Yakima and not Union Gap, by the way.
I observed you in Union Gap.
And the only place where I actually got over into the side was exactly in front of right in front of Valvoline's, which is actually Yakima.
No, it's Union Gap.
I'm looking at the address, bro.
I happen to work for Union Gap, so I know where it is.
Well, this is right where I did it, right in front of the Dairy Queen.
Yeah, that's Union Gap.
No, it says the address is Yakima.
Bro, it's Union Gap.
Yeah, no, according to the map, it shows all Yakima.
All right. Well, go ahead and sit tight for me up there.
Okay.
What's up?
I was just gonna say, as far as everything is concerned, like, are you gonna issue the ticket so I can be on my way?
Yeah.
Okay. And are you gonna give any discretion, or are you just gonna give a warning for your boy, or how you gonna do this?
Oh no, you're gonna get a summons for court.
Oh, you want to give me a ticket?
Yeah.
Instead of just a warning?
No, I'm not gonna give you a warning because you just got a ticket in July.
In July?
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's not from you, though.
No, it's not for me.
Okay, so that's what I'm saying.
So why would I give you a warning if you've already been cited for the same stuff that you're trying to pull right now?
Well, because I'm not guilty. That's why.
I mean, you're
I'm
driving.
not guilty, Bubba.
You're driving a motor vehicle without a license in the state of Washington.
Yes, and I've won every time in court. That's
All
what
right.
I'm trying to tell you.
All right, so go wait over there.
Well,
Go wait over there.
okay.
Four three eight on 2. Can you give me case number, criminal traffic, no readback?
4-3, affirmative.
You can talk to him. You can talk to him if you want.
Is that your bike? Yeah.
I just need to get my citations and go. So Rodriguez versus United States says that the stop is not supposed to be extended upon a de minimis amount of time to issue the citations and let me go because there's no crime that's been committed whatsoever. And actually, I don't have a license in Washington, nor do I have registration in Washington, so I'm not obligated to abide by any contracts. This isn't just something that I'm stating to you. I'm actually an attorney, and I've actually won several times in court or had the cases dismissed from prosecutors due to these facts. And I can explicitly show them right now I have 3 federal cases in law suing police for violating my constitutional rights. So I really just like the tickets to be issued so I can be on my way because there's no crime that's been committed or that I've been suspected of either. And this is my private property, and due process states that by the Constitution that my property cannot be taken from me at any point in time unless there's a crime that's been suspected. Because I'm not obligated, I don't have a driver's license here in Washington. The Attorney General both has stated that through opinions, and then both Justice Tolman, the Supreme Court Justice Tolman, T-O-L-E-M-A-N, saying that we have the rights to travel here on the roads. Then in Yakima County, both the municipal and the county codes, the definition of street or road states that the roads are open as a matter of right for public vehicular travel. And I'll pull those up exclusively right now for the municipal code. So that way there's no aspect of dictating that I have to abide by some presumption that y'all state that I have to have a driver's license. That's not true. It's not how it works in law. I know that's what y'all been taught, but that's not how it works on the Supreme Court level. So I like the tickets to be issued and be on my way. This is actually extending beyond the time to issue the citations. He's just running through my name right now. He's not issuing tickets. He's just trying to search and conduct an investigation.
Gotcha.
So let me see. Are we in the right drive? Let's get in the right one. As you can see, I'm already starting to sweat. I don't want to sweat. So, like, I need to get my tickets and go. Yeah, come on. Some title. Where is my supporting affidavit, cease, notice. Open as a matter of right. There we go. We'll do a search, find. Okay, County Road. County 8.06.010 definitions. For the purpose of this chapter, the following words and phrases shall have the county road means every way, lane, road, street, boulevard, and every way or place or part thereof in the county of Yakima, open as a matter of right for public vehicular travel. That does not mean drive. It means travel. I can travel by any way I see fit because I own these roads. That's how this works. So, I need him to issue my citation sign.
Not yet.
It's going down. What all you got for me?
We'll get there.
Hey, look, I wanted to show you something real quick, too, like I was showing. Nunez? There you go.
What's up?
So I got Yakima County, Washington, subsection 8.06.010 definitions. For the purposes of this chapter, the following words and or phrases shall have the indicated meanings. 1, county road. It means every way, lane, road, street, boulevard, and every way or place or part thereof in the county of Yakima, open as a matter of right for public vehicular travel.
Sir, it's for right now.
Why do you keep interrupting me? I'm talking to you. He said it's okay.
No, I'm trying to talk to you.
Don't
Just let him finish his citation. Just let him finish his citation.
Okay, but what I'm trying to say is do not interrupt me. I have not committed a crime, and I am not suspected of a crime. You don't run me. Okay, you're not over me. I am a good person. You don't get
I'm not saying you're not.
Okay, so don't try and sit here and tell me what to do. I can do whatever I want to do. I don't violate crimes. Okay. So until I violate a crime, you have no authority to tell me what to do. Okay?
You were saying you want to get rolling, right? You want to get going?
Yes.
You interrupting him while he's trying to do
He's
a
doing his
citation?
thing. I'm just letting him know the rules. Y'all don't get taught the rules.
You don't have to tell him his rules. He knows the rules.
He don't. If that was the case, why do I have 3 federal cases? If that was the case, why do I got a summary judgment for $1.2 million right now that's about to get paid out? Because cops don't know the rules. You get taught in the academy some, but you don't get taught what the Supreme Court says. And then you're held liable, and he's held liable. And the person that's sitting there is a visitor that's learning what only he knows is liable. Because y'all don't know how this works. And I'm trying to teach you. I have a huge YouTube channel. You want to write down my stuff? You can get involved.
I'm good.
You don't want to?
I'm okay.
Okay, you're going to be hosted on YouTube, just so you know.
That's fine.
All right. Well, yeah, I mean, it's like, I'm not playing that. I'm not no small-time guy. This isn't you're going to violate my rights. I'm not trying to be bold. I'm just trying to tell you that we as the public now have AI. You see what I'm saying? We don't get fooled no more. We can easily search and find the case law that applies to any situation. We don't have to go searching for books to immediately find what we need to find. And now that we ain't getting our rights violated no more. That's how this works. The days of we're going to violate your rights and you're going to do whatever we say, those days are over with. You can do it, but you'll get fired. Believe me, I've already got 3 of them fired. No longer on the force.
Okay. Brady's
list. Can't even go and testify anymore. So what's the point of giving tickets? See what I'm saying? That's how this works. Like, we, the public, ain't playing with it no more. And it seems like you a good cop. So I ain't got nothing to say bad about you. But You know, I don't have no contract with the state. Did you see a driver's license?
I saw it suspended.
Wait. I don't have no driver's license. I've never applied, so there's no suspension. You better look again because Cameron's never applied, and I don't have a picture. So you better write that ticket right because I don't have no license, brother. They suspended the right to apply. I've never applied. I don't have no driver's license. Never.
So it says right here.
Do you show me
Suspended.
I have a driver's license? Do I have applied? Do you have a picture?
In the state of Washington, no.
Okay, that means I've never applied.
Okay.
If there's no picture, then I've never applied for a license, so I can't have a suspended license. What happened is the state of Washington, through their DMV, which is under the AAMVA, which is a private member association, has put in their system a clarifying number to try and identify me, and then state that my right to apply for a driver's license would be suspended.
Even better.
Well, I've never applied. It's
That's
not
fine.
better.
It is.
How is it better?
Because you're no valid operator's license without ID.
What do you mean ID? I don't need that. I did ID. I gave him my ID.
Without physical identification.
You don't have to have that.
Yes, you do. In the state of Washington, you do. Go ahead and look up the RCW.
The RCW?
Yep.
Let me ask you this. If I have the right to self-govern and I'm free, how am I required to do anything?
That's a conversation that you're going to have with the judge.
Well,
not me.
Well, I won't have it with the judge here because I'll actually move it up to federal court because I don't play with municipalities.
That's fine.
The judge here.
Like I said, no, just come on.
He's
You're
talking
recording
back.
right now. Are you recording right
Always.
now? Okay.
So the judge hears
You
nothing.
can't be recording if he's on his computer right now.
I can record anything I can see. You can't tell me that.
That's information you cannot be seeing.
Then he needs to hide it. That's not my fault. What are you talking about? I have the right to record. That's a First Amendment right. You know that, right?
I understand.
Okay,
that,
I can write whatever I see. I can record whatever I see.
That's fine.
I know it's fine.
He's writing your citation. Why don't you wait to talk to him once he's done?
Because this is how it works. As soon as you want to hear? As soon as I go and talk to him, he's going to answer 2 questions and walk away and say, have a good day. He's not going to answer my questions after I'm done. That's
He's
all.
not.
No, that's what every one of them do. Oh, we've issued the citations. We don't want to talk no more. Bye. You don't want to answer questions? Have I committed a crime? Am I suspected of a crime? Do I have a contract with the state to abide by the driver's license codes? No. So everything right now is actually a constitutional violation because I've advised him that I don't have a driver's license. He knows that I don't have a driver's license, yet he's issuing me citations in a presumption and assumption that I'm utilizing these roads in a commercial capacity. Because drive, by Black Law's Dictionary and by the federal courts, has dictated that you must be on these roads in a commercial fashion. Do you want to know the exact definition of drive? By the federal government? You want to see it?
Let's hear it.
All right, let's see it. There you go. One employed, defined as driver. One employed.
Where are you getting this information from?
From Black Law's Dictionary. That's how it works. I'm not
That's how it
employed. That's how it works. I don't use these roads in a commercial capacity. I am free to use these roads in any way I see fit because they're open as a matter of right for public vehicular travel. Him, you, all of you, you're presuming that I'm driving because that's all you've been taught. You don't know the distinction between driving versus traveling, which the Attorney General here in Washington has clarified through many opinions. Not only that, you get the Supreme Court Justice Tolman, T-O-L-E-M-A-N, who has stated, you cannot, there's a clear distinction between driving and traveling. I'm traveling. Right now I am in, see, y'all don't understand what's creator endowed right? Don't know? Do you know what natural rights are?
Go ahead and tell me.
I don't need to tell you. That's what your city should be teaching you. What is a natural right?
You know everything. So
I
go
don't
ahead
know
and tell
everything,
me.
but I do know
No,
my
I think
rights,
you do.
and I'm not
It
going to
sounds
allow
like
my
you
rights
do.
to be violated.
All right, man.
Yeah.
So check this out. You're
What's
gonna
up,
get
man?
you're gonna get a court date in the mail for operating a motor vehicle without a.
Show up.
That's fine. Then there will be a warrant issued for your arrest.
No, there won't, because I'm going to send in a notice of appeal on the constitutional violations that have advised you of my rights, that I'm using these roads open as a matter of right for vehicular travel. Then I'm going to put in a notice of demand to remove it to a federal court and change a venue because you're not honoring my rights. There was nobody that was harmed. You have no complaint. You have no verified victim whatsoever. There's no statement of a public complaining. So right now it's you.
So this is all the conversation that you're going to have with the judge.
I'm telling you because the body
I don't need
camera's
to know.
on.
You can tell the body camera all you want. I'm telling you that you're going to get a court date for no valid operator's license without ID.
Right.
Because you told me you don't have one.
I don't.
Additionally, I got you for improper passing on the right.
Okay.
And no insurance.
Great. I have a surety bond.
What's that?
I have a surety bond.
Oh, okay.
It's for $30,000.
All right. Hey, you know if you drive, you can be arrested.
I'm not driving.
But you are driving.
No. The definition of driving
Dude,
is unemployed.
that is...
Okay, I'm done. Leave me alone. Cease and desist. I'm not going to argue about my rights, bro. You're not going to dictate me pursuing something. I reserve all rights, including my right to remain silent, and you're not going to take those from me. That's it. I got great and down rights. You're not going to violate them. Your presumptions will not hold. Sorry. That's how it works. Not driving. Get the definition right, bro. What's going on? What are y'all doing? What are you doing? You're good? We good?
I'm just waiting for you to travel away.
Why, you gonna pull me over again?
Yeah.
That's harassment.
No, that's another criminal offense.
Okay, what is a crime?
What is a crime?
Yeah, traffic infractions are not crimes, right?
Actually, driving without a valid...
People versus ballot.
Hey, can you just listen for a second?
No, because you're
driving,
trying to presume.
I'm not presuming anything.
You're presuming I'm driving. But you don't know the definition of driving.
You're driving, you're literally, it is written operating a motor vehicle. That
is not a motor vehicle.
Is that a vehicle with a motor?
Okay, do you know the definition of a motor vehicle?
That's it right there.
That is
a
not,
vehicle
dude,
with a motor.
Papa Bear.
Show me where the motor's not at.
Okay, just because you do something, listen, okay, I'm gonna be cool. Let me be cool for a second. I get it, dude. I get that they don't teach y'all. I get it. I am an attorney.
Right.
I'm not gonna sit here and lie to you, bro. I am an attorney, bro. What don't you understand? Do you want me to show you the federal cases? What do you want me to do? You want me to show you the millions of people?
I'm going to tell you that if you get back on this vehicle...
You're not even in jurisdiction. You're in Yakima.
I don't care. I saw what you did.
You don't care. So that's on your body cam. You don't care.
I am dealing with you right now. Let it.
Why? Why don't you want to just uphold my rights?
I'm not... Nobody's interfering with your rights.
You took an oath to uphold the Constitution of the United States. You took an oath to uphold the Constitution of Washington, yet you're allowing statutes that do not override my constitutional rights to dictate how you act because you feel as though you need to have authority over me.
No, I don't.
Then why are you harassing?
Because you committed a criminal infraction.
Dude. People versus battle, okay? 1952 states...
Do you want me to get a supervisor over here?
I don't.
Why?
I don't need you
Why
to
don't
tell
you want
me.
a supervisor?
I am because I win in federal court.
Okay.
I win in municipal courts. I don't need you to presume and act like somebody else telling me is going to invalidate what people way above your pay grade says.
Okay.
So like that's what I'm not understanding. You're
so
over
what
here
I'm
in
telling
Yakima
you,
telling me that if I drive on
because I stopped you for a criminal offense that you committed in the city of Union Gap.
You keep saying criminal.
Yeah, that's what driving, operating a motor vehicle without a valid
That's
operator.
an infraction.
Without ID is a crime. It is a misdemeanor.
The definition of crime is bringing harm to another. That shows the ignorance that you have in relation to our state statutes and our freedom here in America.
Give me 1 second. You can take off. You're good.
I'm going to get an Uber because you're just harassing me.
Yeah, get an Uber.
I will.
All right, we're good.
If you can leave out of Yakima, this ain't your jurisdiction.
Actually, right over there is.
This ain't.
Okay.